Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another new video. And today I'm gonna be doing a grooming sort of tutorial for those who have bushy eyebrows like mine, and I think this one is gonna be good for you. So some people have been asking me how do I shape my eyebrows, and also I thought that it's gonna be good to come again and do an update eyebrow shaping tutorial. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and those who are new, thank you for tuning in this channel, and please go like and share the videos and stay tuned. First thing first, the things that I'm gonna need Vaseline. So you can use any kind of lubricant kind of thing that you have. You can, some people they use coconut oil or any lubricant thing that you have. So I'm gonna go with Vaseline because I think everyone can have it at home. So I'm gonna go with Vaseline. You can use any kind of Vaseline you have, it's okay. The next thing, I'm gonna need my spoolie brush. And then the next thing, I'm gonna need razor blade. First thing first, you need to buy a new razor blade. I think you all know do's and don'ts when it comes to razor blade. You don't share one, and when you're done using it, you throw it away. So yeah guys, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna just get a generous amount of Vaseline and apply it on my eyebrow, just like that. And then you're gonna, please guys, I would like to urge you to be very careful when it comes to razor, because it's very dangerous and it's very sharp, so you have to be careful. So I'll just hold it like this, and then I'm gonna get my spoolie brush. I'm gonna just brush up those, hairs so that I can see where I have to line up my eyebrows. As you can clearly see guys, it's been a long time I groomed my eyebrows, so I think this is the best for you if it's your very first time. So I'm just gonna line up down there, just there. I think you can see the line where you want your eyebrows to start. So please guys, don't go too much because you can mess up your eyebrows. I'm just gonna hold up just like that, and then go smoothly just like that. By the way guys, I cannot see myself on the camera, so I'm using my mirror. You must be wondering why I'm looking down there. I'm just hoping that you can see what I'm doing, so I'm looking at the mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna push backwards just like that. As you can see, some hairs are already getting off. Can you see that? So you just need to be careful so that you cannot cut yourself. Then I'm gonna start in the front just like that. Also guys, it doesn't matter it doesn't matter if you push it this way or that way. I think most people, they think it matters when you push from the side that it's growing, but it doesn't matter. Can you see that it's clean now? But the boring thing about using razor blade is just that your hair is growing back so fast, but it doesn't matter if you are very good at it. So now I'm gonna just go on and trim on the top side. As you can see, my eyebrows are very bushy, so yeah. Please be careful. Please be careful. Can you see the difference on this side and this side? So I'm gonna just take, so now I'm just going to clean up just like that. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna go on and finish up this side. There you go guys, I hope you like it. If you try this, please let me know on the comment section below, and thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.